Soup Can Comms. Let's talk about the 10 operational security controls that can make something as simple as this secure.
Secure Ninja.
Andrew with SecureNinjaTV again, and we're back yet again with Bob Monroe from Hacker High School. Bob, great to have you back again. We're going to talk about Soup Can Comms. Tell us about them.
Okay, the soup can comms are a pretty simple concept. Now let's take something very, very basic and now let's make it secure. Two soup cans connected with string, just like when you're a little kid. It's a very insecure way of communicating because you gotta shout really loud into one end and the other person goes, huh? So now we're gonna use the 10 operational security controls within the OSSTMM to secure something like that for Hacker High School.
The 10 principles of operational security controls. Let's pick maybe just 3 of them and talk about them, demonstrating with this simple device.
Okay, with operational security controls, they're basically security controls that you would use to secure a network, secure communication device, or secure whatever else it is that you want. In this case, it's a simple communication device, so we're going to secure it. Let's take 3 of them, like you said. So let's start with continuity. With something like this device, we want to make sure that we can continue to have communications if something goes wrong. So let's add a second string to that.
Excellent, bit of redundancy.
There you go.
Redundancy, excellent.
Okay, the next thing is privacy.
Okay.
Privacy is operational security control, so how can we make this private? Let's add a tube along the string there, so that way no one can intercept our string communication.
Yeah, you can't use a laser or something to intercept the voice. You know, they did that with an Amazon Alexa device. They were able to open the garage door by firing a laser at the Amazon Alexa device, and the vibrations from the laser was able to open the door. So that's awesome. So we can hide it. What else?
Okay, the last one, another simple one, is authentication.
Okay.
Authentication would be something as simple as having presenting some sort of identification that is verified by somebody else to make sure you're the rightful person to be able to use that particular can.
Okay, tell me your password.
Soda pop.
It's Bob. So that was awesome, Bob. A simple tool used to explain a very complex concept. Have you any other examples in Hacker High School?
One of the favorite games I like to play with the students is it's a mental game. It's a thinking game. Tell the students, imagine that you're in a room and you're by yourself. In this room there's a table. On the table there's a light bulb. And that light bulb is turned on. Now name 10 ways to shut that light bulb off. Now, of course, it's pretty simple. You can come up with 100 different ways. You can flip the light switch off. You can unscrew the light bulb. You can hit the light bulb with a baseball bat. You can shut off the power grid. Pull circuit breakers. Lots of different ways to shut that light bulb off. And we told the students, okay, we're going to take that exact same situation and we're going to flip it on its head. Same room, same table, same light bulb. It's on. Now name 10 ways to keep that light bulb burning forever. Not so easy now, is it? See, it's very, very simple to break into networks. It's very simple to break something generally, but it's much more difficult to protect it. And that's the core of being a security professional, is how to protect the assets that you're charged to protect. And that's part of the main focus of Hacker High School, is protecting the assets. And that is the core of security right there.
Excellent. Absolutely, absolutely outstanding. Yes, as you say, many people are teaching people how to be script kiddies, how to break into networks. But the real skills that we need to learn is how to protect those networks. Bob, once again, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you.
Thank you for having me.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and to like. I'm Andrew Howard from SecureNinjaTV. See you again soon.